This is how you bypass a passcode locked Apple Watch Series 5. Hold down the power button until the power off slide appears. Press and hold down the power off slide. You're going to attach your charger, hit erase all content and settings, hit the green check mark if you're okay with erasing everything. It'll take a few minutes until it reboots, and then it'll take you back to the main setup menu. Keep in mind that if there is an iCloud account linked to the Apple Watch, you will need to know that information. You'll need to know the Apple ID and the passcode to get back in. Let me know if this method works for you.